Traffic and more traffic. All roads seemingly led to the intimate concert in St. Ann on New Year's Day. And what usually takes an hour drive to Prairie using the North Coast Highway took between 3 and 4 hours. Jamaica Maitland was there.
Bumper-to-bumper traffic, single lanes turned into 3, and a frustrated motorist in St. Ann. It's all because of the staging of the intimate concert at Plantation Cove.
We left home sometime after 3 and we reached almost 8 o'clock. And we took the toll.
Based on the traffic, I know how this staging here, so we came from yesterday. Yes. And we actually stayed by Richmond and walked over because we know that we couldn't get, parking in.
The patrons revealed that police officers were trying to ease the congestion, but not enough lawmen were on the busy streets. It was worsened by unruly motorists. But this isn't the first time there have been challenges with traffic management in the parish. Back in April 2022, the staging of Festival of Float triggered an emergency meeting at the municipal corporation. But there are those who didn't mind. Having flown to Jamaica from the United States, Maurice said he wouldn't have missed Beres Hammond and Buju Banton's performance, despite the show being overrun by more than 4 hours.
Yeah, but that's how concerts stay, right? There's going to be traffic, there's going to be crowd issues. Getting in is the issue, but once you're there, you come and you enjoy the show, and you're in Jamaica, you're going to have a good time, right?
On the inside, patrons complained about the availability of food items. Our cameras observed patrons crowding the only jerk chicken vendor at the time. Only 1 serving per person.
Everything sold out. But we weren't expecting to have such a super sale and food finished before 12 o'clock. It's really exciting, but unfortunately I feel a bit disappointed. But next time I come again at a show like this, I will be more prepared for the crowd.
Meanwhile, small and medium-sized business operators hail the event as an economic driver for St. Ann, and aside from the challenges, set the tone for 2023.
I buy a case for $4,000 and I sell one for $300, so I make $3,200 a case.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.